Now let's discuss some GK questions. Let's test our mind. How is our brain working? Okay, so now you have to write the answers in the comment section. The first picture is this. You have to identify this picture. Okay, so what is this dam? Yes, the answer is Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam is the highest dam of 261 meters high on the river Bhagirathi. So friends, Tehri Dam is located here. You can see. So friends, this is the next picture. And what is this place? Do you know? Yes, it is the greatest place in India. And the answer is Maysnram. Maysnram is the wettest place in Meghalaya which has average rainfall of more than 12,000 millimeters. The next picture is this. Can you identify this mosque? Yes, it is the largest mosque. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan at Delhi, and this is the Jama masjid. It is the largest mosque which was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. About 25,000 people can offer prayers here at a time. The next picture is this. What is this gateway? This is Buland darwaza. It is very famous. It is 53.5 meters high, means 175 feet high, at Fatehpur Sikri, built by Akbar to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. The next picture is this. Can you identify this big lake? Yes, it is Wular Lake. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. The largest lake, Wular Lake, is in Jammu and Kashmir. Friends, the next picture is here at the screen. Yes, it is very famous. It is the tallest statue of India, and it is Statue of Unity. The tallest statue, it is at Vadodara in Gujarat, standing at a height of 182 meters high. Statue of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So thank you friends.